Hello everyone, welcome to Operating System tutorial. Myself Prof.Nimesh Vaidya from Global Faculty of Engineering. In this tutorial, I will discuss about the page replacement algorithm. As exam point of view, it is very important question. So let's get started. Suppose we have program X that have size of 8 KB. In this program stored into secondary memory because any program stored permanently in secondary memory only. Whole program X is divided into partition of 1 KB. So whole program X is divided into same size of pages. This technique is called file paging. Dear student, as we had already discussed about the paging in class. Okay, so what is paging? This is memory management techniques by which a computer store and retrieve data from secondary memory storage for use in main memory, and data retrieved from secondary in the same size of blocks called pages. So as per our example, program X is divided into same size of blocks like P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8. After P8, there may be another program stored. Now let's go on main memory. Main memory is where the program and data are kept when the processor is actively using them. When program and data become active, they are copied from secondary memory into main memory where the processor interacts with the main memory. Here in the example, there is a 3 KB size of main memory. It is 3 frames, each of 1 KB size. So at a one time, CPU execute only 3 pages because CPU execute any program from main memory, not from secondary memory. Now here, CPU needs to execute page number 1, means P1. Then CPU will insert in main memory. If P1 is not in main memory, then page fault occurs. Then after operating system picks P1 from secondary memory to main memory. Now again, CPU needs to execute page number 2, means P2. Then CPU will search in main memory. If P2 is not in main memory, then page fault occurs. Then after operating system picks P2 from secondary memory to main memory. Now again, CPU needs to execute page number 3, means P3. Then CPU will search in the main memory. If P3 is not in main memory, then page fault occurs. Then after operating system picks P3 from secondary memory to main memory. After transfer P1, P2 and P3 from secondary memory to primary memory, now CPU can easily execute P1, P2 and P3 because P1, P2, P3 is reside into main memory. Up to here, there is okay. But now CPU needs to execute P4 and note P4 is not reside at the main memory and block of main memory is full because main memory size is 3 KB. At this time, one of the pages among P1, P2 or P3 have to go back at secondary memory. So how can we say that P1, P2 or P3 is swapped out from main memory to secondary memory? Here, page replacement algorithm takes place. This is done by the swapping. So what is swapping? This is mechanism in which a process can be swapped temporarily out from main memory to secondary memory. And page replacement algorithm decide which page is swapped out from main memory to secondary memory. Here 3 types of page replacement algorithm: FIFO, LRU and optimal. FIFO, first in, first out. This is simplest page replacement algorithm. On the page fault, the frame that the long press is replaced. LRU, least recently used. In LRU, page replaced by its least recently used. Optimal, operating system replace page that will not be used for longest period of time in future. We will discuss one by one next time. Thank you.